How to fix TikTok server upgrading problem. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok server upgrading problem. To fix this issue, first of all ensure that you are connected to the stable and strong internet connection, or you may also switch between data and Wi-Fi in order to check if that works. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working fine and you are still facing this issue, then you can go and check the update for TikTok app. For that, open the Google Play Store on your device and in this interface, tap on the search icon at the bottom right and then in the search bar type in TikTok. Now search for it. Once you find the TikTok application, tap on the app icon to open it and inside it, here look for update option. You can simply tap on the update option and wait until it updates successfully. But if you didn't find the update option, that means the app has already been updated. Now if your application is already up to date and you are still facing this issue, then you might go and clear TikTok cache and data from your device settings. For that, open your device settings and here scroll to find the application option. Once you locate it, tap on the apps option to open it and here in this list of the applications, find the TikTok application. Once you find the TikTok application, tap on it to open it and again in this page scroll to find the storage option. Tap on storage to open it and in this page you'll be able to locate the clear cache option. Simply tap on the clear cache at the bottom right and then your cache will be cleared. Also you may tap on this clear data in order to clear your data, but you will need to log into your account once after doing that. After doing that, now you can go and check if that solves your problem. If still the issue persists, you may uninstall and then reinstall the application. Go to the Play Store of your device, then tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar type in TikTok. Now search for it. Once you get the application, tap on the app icon to open it and inside it here you'll be able to locate uninstall button. Simply tap on this uninstall button and confirm it by tapping on uninstall once again. And once after the app gets installed, you will need to tap on the install button on the same page in order to download or reinstall it again. After doing that, you can use your credentials in order to log into your account. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to resolve the server upgrading problem on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.